The blinking red light on your Spectrum router usually means it's lost its internet connection, known as a WAN failure. On Spectrum routers like the Motorola MG7700 or Aris DG670A, a solid white or blue light indicates normal operation. A solid red light suggests a hardware problem such as overheating or corrupted firmware. This often results from signal degradation, loose cable connections, or a widespread outage on Spectrum's end. According to Spectrum's outage tracker, these issues often spike during regional outages. Tech experts at CNET and PCMag agree preventive maintenance and checking your own setup is vital before contacting Spectrum support. First, power cycle your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Check all cable connections, especially the coaxial cable, ensuring they are tight. Use the Spectrum app to run diagnostics. If these steps don't work, a factory reset of your router may be needed. Contact Spectrum support for a signal strength test. Reddit forums often reveal users fixing the issue by simply tightening loose coaxial connectors. Downgrading firmware could help if the issue began after a recent router update. Experts say basic resets can fix about 60% of router issues. Persistent issues may require a modem replacement, especially if the LED is faulty. Future routers aim for AI-driven self-healing to resolve problems before the red light even appears.